Watching these Russians pour out of a stolen boat onto a riverbank, it's clear Putin has merely taken his 1990s model of sending guys with guns to steal companies and assets in Russia and now applied it to whole countries. All these guys got killed by drones, but I cut it out for YouTube's sensibilities. Absolutely hilarious comment on North Korea shells by a Russian soldier. The shells caused destruction among the Russian artillery units because they are unbalanced. The person responsible for supplying this crap is clearly a member of the LGBTQ community with a clear bias towards hard BDSM. Korean shells. Bitch! The fucking mouth of these Korean fucking shells. These pieces of shit with cum were made by armless, legless, disabled people with hydrocephalus syndrome who only had a fucking mouth among the available means of production. These cross-eyed fuckers have not mastered such a simple but such an important part of the apparatus as a skirt. Why do you have to take this piece of slimy shit as if you were taking your beloved woman by the ass after 5 years of separation? Precise weight distributions that do not differ from projectile to projectile? Fuck you. You can only shoot from this piece of gloomy North Korean genius with a rope and armored armor. Why? Yes, because this chthonic fuck can tear apart not only the Ukrainian, but also your own fucking gun. And the most important, solid oil. Oh fuck, these festering fuckers didn't spare the grease. For the glory of Grandfather Nurgle, these shells' tributaries are simply coated on top down to the bottom with this evil solid oil, and him needs to be cleaned off. How? A rag and solarium. For what? To make this shit already through the shot did not make the ureter from the trunk chronic alcoholic with prostatitis and prostate adenoma. Same bullshit with charges. Everything is done through the devil's asshole, in which apparently these shells are removed, simultaneously smearing them with hellish shit. The weight distribution goes to hell. All the walls are plastered with paper, apparently from North Korean political newspapers from 1987, and generously smeared with Kim Jong-il's Dristats of the same years. The charge plug is made in the same way as usual to fuck off and get lost. There is no convenient rope, no fucking way. In short, the person responsible for supplying this crap, unworthy of being called shells and charges, is clearly a representative of the LGBTQ community with a clear bias towards hard BDSM. I don't know how else to explain why this crap ended up in our country in the first place. I will take money so that your signature does not end up on this piece of squalor. Hugh, I spoke out. Thank you for your attention. I'll go brew some chamomile. I need to heal my nerves. An Iranian-made Mohajer-6 reconnaissance strike UAV that crashed in the Kursk region. It is equipped with guided missiles Game 5. Russians wrote they shot down a Bayraktar clowns. On the other hand, a Quds Mohajer-6 UAV, fully armed with Qaim air-to-ground bombs, means that Iranian arms support for Russia is at a new level. Two Russian tanks converted to Blyat-barns, attacking Ukrainian positions. Both were taken out by FPV drones. Russian volunteer helped provide humanitarian aid to the front line. A bottle of shampoo. Thanks to our friend Cosmos, we managed to provide shampoo to the front line. Good for you, you poor bastard. One of the reasons why Leopard 2 is superior to T-tanks is its speed, both in reverse and forward, even in terrain. Look at the stabilized gun. Even while this backing up, it can accurately hit even moving targets from kilometers away. Video shows Leopard 2A6 like it is in Ukraine. The FPV drone of the tactical group Atom destroys a Russian BM-27 Uragan 220mm MLRS, detected by aerial reconnaissance officers of the 79th Air Assault Brigade at a distance of 25 kilometers. Unfortunately, no detonation. The ammunition had probably already been fired. A Ukrainian tanker of the 115th Mechanized Brigade shoots at Russian assault forces at close range. He gets hit with either an FPV or RPG fire, but it continues to operate.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.